Good morning, Mike here. The Fresh Rinse in Loveland, Ohio, Loveland, for a house wash and a roof wash. I have my friend Brian with me today because this property has tons of vegetation front and back. We're actually going to use Brian's AR30 to clean this roof. Let me show you this roof. Yeah, that's going to make great before and after pictures. So we're doing the house and the roof. We'll do the roof first, but because Brian is filling up with water and he came completely empty, then while he's filling up, I'm gonna wash the backside of this house. Never before seen footage of the Fresh actually washing a house. Thank you, Brian. I mean, Carlton. I think Brian said we've got this set at 6%. We're using his bleach, but I'll reimburse him, of course. We went out to breakfast this morning. Bob Evans, it was. I don't know yet. I can't really see the, it's flat enough to where I can't really see if it's making any transition. I'm gonna stand up here a little bit. No, it is. Yep, it's working.
Got enough power?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
My man. So I mentioned that we had it set at 6%. We did not have it set at 6%. I'm not sure what it was, but it wasn't. Brian said, let me give it a try with, it's his machine, so, you know, that's fine. And he's using a regular 12 volt, what you might use as a 12 volt gun with a shooter tip at the end, whereas I was using the orange washdown gun. He said he enjoys using what you might use for a 12 volt. And he just has more control with it, I suppose. All right, we did not get any video of the house wash and minimal video of the roof wash, but it came out phenomenal. Yeah, came out absolutely perfect. Very pleased with that. I want to encourage you to find someone local, maybe a few guys, in particular if you're running solo as I am, team up with. I help Brian, I give him jobs. He works with me, he does great work, and I can't say enough. All right, Mike, The Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.